Pros and cons of having a motorcycle club. Hello mga Bucks, kamusta? This is Nyzah, the Lady Rider, and thank you for joining my channel. Like always, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification bell for future notification videos. So, this week topic is the pros and cons of having a motorcycle club. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin yan kung ano nga ba yung mga pros and cons ng pagkakaroon ng isang motorcycle club. So, habang dinidiscuss ko po ito, ay samahan nyo muna kami ng aking mga kagrupo sa isang event na pupuntahan po namin ngayon, ang Charity Rides for Baby Gem. Let's go! So, ano nga ba itong pros and cons ng pagkakaroon ng isang motorcycle club? Pros and cons, ibig sabihin advantages and disadvantages. Pero syempre, ang mga motorcycle club na yan ay magkakaiba. Lahat tayo ay magkakaiba. Maaaring sa iba, para sa kanila, ang pros para sa atin ay tama at advantages. Ngunit sa ibang motorcycle clubs, sa kanila ay cons, disadvantages. But if you're in the right motorcycle club, you gotta be surrounded by brother and sisters that will treat you like a real family. Someone like people that can count on you and you can count on them at the same time. That's going to be the key. You can't always take and you can't always give. It has to be neutral ideas, help, support, tangible friends, and family love. Another thing, we surround ourselves usually with people just like us, right? So for me, I find that is positive. But other people might say that is negative, and I don't really care about them as long as we understand each other through our lows and highs, but mostly our lows. There's going to be at least a handful of people or a few people in each chapter or club that has been through what you're going through if you're down. You may be in the darkest place, and someone like your brother or sister in your club will be there just to lay out a hand for help and be there for you. Maybe they just take you out on the ride. Trust me, they will help you out. Another cool things about being in a motorcycle club is that you get to meet other people you will have never met. Like for example, in our club, we have a new member named Guru Prasad. Shout out to you, bro. He is a medical student studying here in our country, but his nationality is an Indian. I'm saying that you're gonna do things you've never done before. You're gonna take trips across state lines, across the land or country. And the cool things is all the memories you'll be building, right? It's like we say, it's not the journey, not the destination from point A to point B. In between is where the memories are made. One of the most important things though, since it's a motorcycle club, your riding skills will be challenged and improved, and also your lifestyle. Some people just do not understand, but it appeals us. It fits us, it suits us. You have access to a network of knowledge when you're in a motorcycle club. You have some great birds there that had been through everything from motorcycle topics to you. Name it, business, help, you need a job, or something. This is such a network or information, a wealth of knowledge. Now let's go to our next destination, Benedicto, Porac, Pampanga. And congratulations nga pala sa Smash Riders 115 organizations sa successful event ng charity nila. Big salute po sa inyong lahat at sa ating lahat na sumuporta sa event na ito. Now let's go to the cons, the negative ones. Because sometimes belonging to a group, especially a right one that rides a lot, sometimes it requires personal adaptations to some extent. It pressures, sa totoo lang. Nakaka-pressure. Another thing is the collective decisions making. This can be a pros too sometimes. But all in all, it highly depends on the actual club you are joining. I am official member of different clubs and active participants in the motorcycle riding community. I have a choice to whether to participate or not in a certain club or activities. We have now reached our destination, Benedicto, Porac, Pampanga. Later on, we have a quick EB meeting with my other members. Oh, before I forget, mega shoutout kay Benyar Lumba, our official best maker. Siya yung gumawa ng best namin na to. And kay Bro Dasa, shoutout sa iyo bro. Kamusta ka dyan? Going back to our topic, actually, the pros and cons of the club life depends mostly on what are your intentions about it. You can get exactly what you want, so you better be careful about what are you really seeking. You can one day decide to join a club, and in the future you might become a renewed, transform and develop man or woman, or you can completely ruin your life. Well, the choice is yours. So I guess that's all I can say. If you guys can leave a comment in a comment section, the negatives and the positives of being in an MC club you have experienced, that'd be great. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bells for future notification videos. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Until next time, bye bye.